Alright, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna unbox this Ridgid 18-volt brushless cordless half-inch impact wrench. It's a bundle I got from Home Depot. Came with the battery, the charger. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh wow, this is a big gun. It's pretty heavy. Claims to have 1,500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Let's go ahead and remove the bag. Looks really nice. It feels really nice. Three speeds. Can't really get that on camera. It's really nice, actually. Here's the belt clip, charger, adapter. Let's see what else we got here. I'm not sure if I should leave all these cardboard in order to hold everything in place here. Here's the battery. $18 volts. So it definitely needs to be charged. It has a 1 bar of battery. Let's go ahead and charge this up. Alright, I connected this. It has 3 little lights. One is charge, full, temporary, temp delay. The last one is air. See what it gives me. So I guess it's charging right there, yes. I guess it's should be a solid green light once it's charged. Let's go ahead and leave that there. The instructions from the manual. So yes, flashing is that it's charging. Should turn to green when it's charged, I guess. So one little thing I did like, it's charging right there, and it also tells you how much charge. So a few hours later, we have a solid green light and no more lights right here, but it's fully charged. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it sounds like. Has the 2 little tabs here, the sides. It's really heavy. Oh, it's really nice. There's a nice little light there. It's on the third setting. You can move it right here. Doesn't really want to focus there. It's on the second. It's on the first. Oh yeah. It's really nice. Got the little light right here, the little, see the battery. So let's go ahead and put it to a test. Well, okay, this is 140 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and try and remove it. No problem on the first level. Let's go ahead and retorque it to 140. Let's try let's see how easy it is on 3. It's 140 foot-pounds. It's on 3. Really easy. See if it'll remove it in the lowest setting. Have it in 1. Let's give it a shot. No luck. Let's go ahead and try it on 2. No problem. Removed it with ease.